Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you set up your guinea pig's cage. We have a guest star, Miss Plump. Hey, don't bite my thing. And we have Miss Toppy. Miss Toppy. Yes, you're a little beautiful girl. You're a beautiful girl, huh? Don't you know that, Miss Toppy? Don't you know that, sweetie? You know you're a beautiful girl. What are you doing, Miss Toppy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh yeah, Miss Toppy. I see the job, sweetheart. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up these cages for you guys. So you'll need some type of bedding. I prefer fleece, but you can use whatever you want. You can use paper bedding, but don't use pine or cedar bedding. That is bad for your guinea pigs or any type of animal. Cedar and pine is bad for hamsters, guinea pigs, and whatever. Use paper-based bedding. So this is just an example cage, but this is how normally if you will buy a Midwest or a guinea pig habitat. What are you doing on the floor, sweetie? If you use a guinea pig or a Midwest habitat, this is about the size of it. So, and this is a Midwest liner. So I'm gonna put this on here. So I tried to place it on as best as I could. And this is what it looks like so far. So I'm gonna place so what you need is pellets, fresh pellets. I'm gonna just put the pellets maybe right here. Since this is the door, I'm just gonna put the hay by the door. It kind of doesn't matter. What? Guys, what? They want to get I know, they're talking. So, hold on one second. So, you can, I always say get 2 hay things so your guinea pigs can eat, just for the sake of this video. This is just an example. But always get, like, at least 2 hay racks. Look at her already. You little sneaky girl. Hey, hey, little girl. Hey. Stop it. Next thing for this cage is to get at least 2 houses. So, for the sake of they can't fit these houses anymore. I mean, they can, but they can't. I mean, because, like, they always knock it down. So, I got the blue house instead of the red. Hey! Hey, little girl. Hey! This cage so bad. Okay, so like I said, if you have 2 guinea pigs, which is recommended, don't get 1 guinea pig, get 2. And yeah, so it is recommended. Sorry, my camera cut off. It died. So you want to put this pee pad or some type of puppy pee pad underneath the fleece, just for like whenever the guinea pigs, their pee might go through it. So you just want to just put that under there just in case. I always do it, but I forgot to mention that. Next, I put like a little house here, or a little hideaway tunnel thing. So, yes, and I have to mention too, guinea pigs love to hide. It's something about hiding that they love. Sometimes, guinea pigs just love their privacy. They like to hide when they're scared, or just privacy. So, and also guinea pigs need their chew toys in their cage. So I'm just gonna put some right here. They just need some chew toys, and you can put like more items in here. You can put like a little, it's like a little curtain thing. I forgot to put it in the video. But it's like a little curtain thing you can put in there. You can put whatever you want. You want to put lights up here, but just make sure the guinea pigs can't reach it. But you can put lights up here, or little decorations like all over top of the cage, just to make it look pretty. And yeah, so this is a perfect size for 2 guinea pigs. But I always say the bigger is better, But this is just to set up a Midwest / guinea pig habitat. And you need water bottles, of course, for your cage. So you can put like a little tunnel here somewhere. So to make it extra pretty, I should twist it. Hold on. You can use a PVC tunnel or tube or whatever. I put, well, let me just put these sticks here. And I just put a water bottle right there. I might, but you can move it. You can just however the cage you want. It's just kind of like a simple but cute little setup video. And let's see how the pigs are in their little setup, pretend setup, because this is not their actual cage at all. But this is a pretend. So I'm gonna come here, Miss Taffy. Here she is. With the girls. Join a little cage here. Sorry. There it is. Hi! They're all sniffing around. Just trying out the little things. Like I said, they can fit in it, but like somehow they knock themselves over. So there's a little water, a little hay. Should fit in there. They're just eating some hay. So that is orchard grass. I use orchard grass because it helps with my allergies, because I'm highly allergic to Timothy hay. Yeah, Timothy hay is bad. So I don't use that. I don't recommend it for other people. Oh, they're eating the pellets. So I just got those pellets from Tractor Supply, honestly. It was a little bit cheaper. They were like $20 for like a big 25-pound bag. I think it was 25 pounds, I'm not sure. And she just pooped. But yes, I hope you guys like this video. This is just a little cage. You can, like I said, it's just a little setup, but this is how it will look if you had about 2 guinea pigs staying in here. Oh, wait, she's trying the little thing. Oh, Miss Toffee was like, no, I'm not gonna go in there. And they're just chatting away. Want to be with their actual sisters, but I just chose them for the video. Oh my gosh, poop spots. A pumpkin, there's no water in there. It was just for demonstration purposes. Yes. So anyway, I hope you guys like this little short video. And if you want to see more videos, you know what to do. Subscribe. So yes, also about this cage too, you can open it. Ow. So yeah, you can just open it. I kind of scared them a little. It's really a little difficult to open, but that's how you can open it. Yay! So there you go. Who's yelled? Okay, don't worry. You'll actually go to your actual house. Don't worry. But yes, be sure to like this video, comment, and tell me what you liked. Yes. She's just hiding. Aw, poor Toffee. I'm gonna mean a scary little baby. I'm scary.